The Hyundai Exter comes with the TPMS, tire pressure monitoring system, on the higher end variants. This is the SX AMT variant, and you get direct TPMS on the 4 wheels. No, you do not get it on the spare wheel. You can see that the spare wheel pressure is not getting reported. So you can see that the front left wheel has a pressure rating of 45 psi. The front right, that is a driver side wheel, gets a rating of 46. The rear left 45 and the rear right 45. 45 and 46 psi are absurdly high pressures for the car tires, guys. Your recommended values of tire pressure is given right here. There you go. So if you're traveling light, about 32 psi on all tires. If you're traveling with 5 passengers and luggages, 35 and 36 psi for the front and rear wheels. So that seems like a good value. 35 seems to be a good bet. Now, in case you're wondering, why do you have such high pressures?
That is because when cars are shipped to dealerships, the tires are intentionally overinflated. Dealers don't know how long will a car be lying in their stockyard and when a particular car will be delivered to a customer. Tires tend to lose pressure over time gradually. So, to ensure the tires don't end up underinflated at the time of delivery, they keep them slightly overinflated. That's why you are seeing higher readings here, around 45 and 46 psi. Now what we'll do is reduce the tire pressure to the recommended levels.
And guys, I'm also happy to report that as I kept deflating the tires, the readings were showing up almost instantly with just a gap of maybe a few seconds here and there. The readings showed up pretty quickly. So if you have a punctured tire or a flat tire, as you keep filling it up, it should report the newer values of pressures.
If you get a flat tire while driving, the instrument cluster will display a warning symbol and the multifunction display will also show a low tire pressure warning. Since all the tires on our car are currently filled to the correct pressure, I'm not able to demonstrate this warning in real time and I don't have a portable inflator with me to simulate it. However, just for your reference, this is a symbol that will appear on the cluster along with the warning on the multifunction information display.